back. So very first off, I have product of the day. We're going to talk about word fun. So it basically goes through what a noun is. So it'll tell you here what a noun is, and then it'll talk about how it's an astronaut or the moon. So it's basically, thus far, it is space references. But it also has, then it goes on to verbs. So it's got quite a different things in here. So it's one of those books that we are reading together at lunch. Today, I'm happy you're here because I wanted to talk to you about a science curriculum. As you know, I've bought every single science curriculum. I bought secular ones, I bought Christian ones, quite a few different ones. And then someone had, in one of my comments, said, have you tried Science Shepherd? And so I reached out and I bought the Astronomer's God's Universe. So now I will tell you that I am 19 classes in. So 19 classes. It's much longer than that because if you get the DVDs, which I did, so it has it so that you can watch it online, but I wanted the DVDs because that's what we do during lunch. During lunch is basically science. So we could sit down and watch a video of space. Now I will tell you the pictures in here, they're from mostly the Hubble telescope, but they're beautiful. There's also some some diagrams they've done and different things like that, but it's very beautiful to watch. Now, being that I am 18 lessons in, that's about 8 weeks in, I will tell you it's 3 to 10 minutes. And as I started to say on here, A and B, there's part A and B come in this. B is extra advanced. I would say 10 and up, it's great. I use it for my 7 and 9-year-olds and it's fine. So it comes with this, the DVDs. This is part A and part B. And then I bought the A workbook because I wasn't going to commit to a B if I didn't like it. And I will tell you, I do like it. I like it a lot. It talks about, so this right here. So all you need is to watch is the lessons. You can watch them online, like I said, or you can watch them on DVD. And this book. This book also comes with the answer book. So all it is, so as you'll see here, pardon my writing. So chapter 1, what is astronomy? Why is the field of science important? So there's no notes. There's just, lessons are 3 to 10 minutes. And so it just gets right to the concrete information. There's not a lot of dilly-dallying, which I like. So it tells you how to use this notebook. Now let's go back to, and then it has, of course, the answer guide here. So class 1, what is astronomy? It's got the history of astronomy. Then it's got astronomical measurements. So again, it can be for the advanced, but it can also be for the young. Like you can do it as a family study, if you will. Science is one of the easiest family studies to do, but I don't like family study sciences. I like it where it can be for one person or multiple, like we do it as a group kind of thing. So we got the solar system, of course. We've gone through Mercury, Venus, learning a lot about these planets. Now, because it doesn't have notes for it, it's just the notes that are on the screen. And then, I mean, you could piece it together from here, but what I started doing was taking more detailed notes. So that, for example, on a cue card, I could put NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. So I can do these things, like what an astronomical unit is and stuff like that. So an astronomical unit, in case you're wondering, is the distance between, I believe it's Earth and the Sun, is 1 astronomical unit, which I learned from here. So this also has, so this goes up to class 66, which is the review, right? And then there's the next book, should I get it, and I'm going to get it, is part B, is the more advanced ones. Now, so again, the DVDs come with both, but in the courses online, I know I'm surrounded by Lego. The courses online don't. You could buy part A or part B. So this is going to appear a little more expensive, plus you have to ship it. But I don't recall shipping being that much. Plus they had a discount for a military family that I used. And it's good because you learn some Greek words in there about planets and heliocentric models and things. But you're also going to discuss through this is an introduction to naturalism and creation. So creation being the Genesis concept of 6 days, world's created in 6 days, and the evidence for that. But you're also going to talk about naturalism and why that's an illogical argument. So I'm interested to see more of that. I am only on class 18 right now. So I'm very interested to see more about that thus far to see. But I like that it does cover both, views and talks about it. Yeah, and discusses it. I think that is very interesting, very important. And I have previously, having growing up in a world where we did not discuss. So, and when you're watching the lessons and in the book here, you'll see that there's things for younger children as well. So it's not just, even though there's a lot of I guess, advanced topics. It also has in here some stuff for younger children as well, like put the planets in order, put the biggest planets together and the smallest planets together. And it has little cutouts in here that you can cut out and do. So it does have activities throughout here as well as it's got crosswords, has drawings as well. So I would like, and I plan to, and I hope I can, do other DVD science classes from here, because it is very easy and very handy when it is lunchtime and you're like, okay, it's lunchtime, it's science time, and you can put on a DVD. And then I just like to put stuff on cue cards because that's, recitation, memorization. I mean, that's kind of, it helps you so that when you get older and you need to start using some of this stuff, so that you're not like, oh, what is parallax? Well, wait, you know what that is. So you don't have to learn it and learn to use it. You know what it is if they decide to go into that field. All right, thank you for tuning in. And once again, it is Science Shepherd. And yeah, I highly recommend it.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes.
And hit the bell for notifications.